tease me, baby. You got what I want and what I need, baby. Let me hear you say, please. Let me hear you say, please.
Hey Forever Dolls, welcome back to my channel. So today, you guys, for the remainder of this week, I am doing a 3-day glitter look inspired makeup tutorials. I recently ordered me some new glitters and I am just so happy to use them, and I know you guys have been screaming for glitter looks. So I decided to record 3 days of glitter looks for you guys, and yeah, that's pretty much it. You guys don't forget to like, subscribe, and share the video. Comment what you want to see next. Comment what other kind of looks you want to see. If you want me to vlog, you want me to go eat somewhere, you guys definitely let me know. I'm trying to get you guys' input on my channel more and more and more every day. But without further more ado, you guys, I love you guys so much, and I will see you guys in my next video. Hey Forever Dolls, welcome back. Okay, so pretty much we're gonna go ahead and jump right in. I'm going into the P Lau Secret Center palette, you guys. A phenomenal palette. Let me just start off by saying that I'm going in today with the pink and the purple out of this palette to achieve my eyeshadow look today. You know, I mean, it's just is what it is. Like, y'all, this palette is bomb, like bomb. Okay, so I'm also going in with my ColourPop No Filter Concealer in the color medium, and I'm going to be using this to cut my crease. Next, I'm going to go in with the GLIT My Life glitter, and this specific glitter that I'm using happens to be called Bay Day, and I'm going to use that to just pack on my lid. You guys, be careful. It is a chunky glitter, so it will get a little heavy if you are not careful. Next, I'm going to go in with my NYX White liquid eyeliner, and I'm going to use that to put at the top of the crease so it can just give the look a little bit more of a dramatic look. Next, I'm going to go ahead and blend out the orange corrector on my face, and I'm going in with my MAC. This is Tester foundation, you guys. If you know me, you guys know that I wasn't a big fan of the MAC foundation, but I guess they came out with a new foundation, so I wanted to try their foundation. So I had a couple of these picked up for me, and that's why I do not know the number or shades right now, you guys, so please forgive me. Next, I'm going to go back in with the ColourPop No Filter Concealer in the color medium, and I'm going to use that to highlight underneath my eyes, down the bridge of my nose, and on my chin. Okay, so now I'm going to go in with the Watch Me Blush palette, and I'm going to be using this Coco color out of the eyeshadow palette to act as my contour. You guys, I have not found a powder contour that just works for me, so I use my eyeshadow palette. Sorry if that's not okay for you. Next, I'm going to go ahead and go in and set my face with the MAC Fix Plus Gold spray. It's called Fix It Gold, and you shake it up and it activates everything that's sitting at the bottom of the bottle, and you walk out with a glitter finish, you guys. My holy grail. So now I'm going into the Anastasia Glow Kit, and I'm going to be using the highlighter Goldie, and I'm going to be using that on my cheekbones. Okay, you guys, pretty much this is the finished look. If you guys like this short video, let me know. If you feel like the video was too short, let me know. I love you guys. See you on my next video. Bye.